Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy S24 series on 17th of January 2024, and as we are almost at the end of December, the first official renders showcasing the base model have now emerged online through unofficial channels by Android headlines. The first set has been leaked today and depicts the 4 upcoming colorways. Meet the Galaxy S24, as seen through these renders that confirm the official color options, including onyx black, cobalt violet, marble gray, and amber yellow. On top of these, there will apparently be 3 more hues, which will be exclusive to Samsung.com: blue, green, and orange. That's a whole lot of colors to pick from. Unsurprisingly, the renders confirm that the Galaxy S24 looks a lot like the S23, except it now boasts a flat frame and other minor design tweaks. The Galaxy S24 appears to have a back glass panel with a slight curve around the edges, rather than being cut at a 90-degree angle. It's reminiscent of 2.5D glass. As for the camera design, we have 3 camera rings individually protruding out of the back panel in a vertical array. The LED flash unit sits next to the camera column, positioned such that it sits between the top 2 cameras. The Plus model features the same design, while the Ultra looks slightly different thanks to a 4th camera and a laser autofocus sensor, sandwiching the flash unit. Despite these being minor visual changes, the Galaxy S24 looks somewhat refined and better than the predecessor. The flat frame really makes a difference, and the phone will likely feel very different from the Galaxy S23. The Galaxy S24 will feature the Exynos 2400 in some markets, including Europe. In the US, Samsung still plans to ship the phone with an overclocked Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It's the same story for the Plus model. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor globally. Hopefully, Samsung has fixed its Exynos woes, or it has to be ready to face a public backlash. Anyway, the screen is a 6.2-inch 10+8X2340 LTPO OLED with 2500 nits peak brightness and a 120 Hz refresh rate. Perhaps disappointingly, the cameras are expected to remain the exact same ones seen in the S23. The S24 will of course ship with Android 14 and One UI 6.1 on top, which will seemingly be all about AI. Samsung hasn't confirmed when or where it will announce the Galaxy S24 series, but older rumors indicate that the flagships will go official on January 17th at an unpacked event in San Jose, California. What do you guys think of these leaks? Which color did you like the most? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.